Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. Here is your maths teacher Amir Haider at Bera Foundation College, Nushr of Feroz campus. Today we are going to start lecture number 5 from chapter number 2. Previously we have done lecture number 4. In that lecture we have learned about how to add rational numbers with similar denominators and with different denominators. And today we are going to learn more about the rational numbers, that we have to satisfy some rational numbers left hand side, either right hand side, and again we have to solve the sum regarding addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So today we are going to start with a question which says that show that, question number 4 from exercise 2C. Question says that show that this side either minus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 9 plus minus 3 upon 4 is equals to minus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 9 plus bracket में minus 3 upon 4 is equal to right hand side. So this is the left hand side, dear students, and this is the right hand side. We have to show, we have to justify, we have to clear, we have to express कि either left hand side is equals to right hand side. क्या right hand side का आंसर मैच करेगा, सिमिलर होगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से? अगर होगा तो कैसे होगा? प्रूव करना होगा, शो करना होगा, एक्सप्रेस करना होगा. ठीक है. अगर आंसर मैच नहीं कर रहा तो वो भी बताना होगा कि किस तरह से आंसर मैच नहीं कर रहा. तो देखते हैं कि लेट्स सी how we are going to justify the answers of these two sides. So let's see here. You have to just pay attention on here. We have to start solution. Here it's up to you. It's your choice that you are taking left hand side instead of right hand side, or you are taking right hand side instead of left hand side. So here I am taking left hand side. Left hand side is minus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 9 plus minus 3 upon 4. This is the left hand side. We have to take the answer of this left hand side. So at very first we have to open the brackets. We have to remove the brackets. We have to multiply the similar signs or opposite signs. And our bracket will be removed. So here I am writing here minus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 9. Minus plus plus minus, it will clear that it is minus 3 upon 4. So here are the three rational numbers. Minus plus minus, तीन नंबर है रेशनल आपके पास जो कि प्लस और माइनस में मिले हुए हैं, और तीनों आपके पास रेशनल नंबर के डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स ऑफ दीज रेशनल नंबर्स. सो पिछले क्वेश्चन में हमने ये बात सीखी थी कि अगर रेशनल नंबर के डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स हो देन वी हैव टू टेक द LCM of that rational numbers. अगर similar denominators थे तो we have to put the same number as in LCM. Okay. So here we are going to take the LCM of this question. LCM of 594. 594. We are taking going to here LCM 592. Table of 2 591. Table of 3 531. Table of 3 5 1 1. Table of 5 1 1 1. So then we have to multiply these all numbers. 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3, 5 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 multiply 5. 4s are 36, 36 multiply by 5. 36 multiply by 12 will be equal to 180. So the LCM is 180. 180 is LCM. Then again, what to do we have? We have to find out the numerator of this number. Then we have to divide the 5 by 180. 180 by 5. 180 को क्या करना है? 5 के साथ डिवाइड करना है. 5 की टेबल 15 पे 3 टाइम 3 इधर चले गए, and 5 6 are 30. So here comes first digit 36. Minus 2 multiply 36 plus again we have to multiply 180 by 9. 9 2s are 18 and this is the 0. So here we have to write 4 multiply 20. Again the third number is here, k 180 multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. 2 goes to right hand side is 0, and 4 5s are 20. It will be 45. Then minus 3 multiplied by 45. So you have seen that if we have find out the numerator, but we have to first do at the calculation of the multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here I am removing these things. This is the rough one. You have to do separately. 236 are, it will be 72. I am writing here minus 72. Okay, plus 4 20s are 80. It will be 80. 4 20s are 80. Again minus 45 3s are 45 2s are 90, and 90 45s are 135. 135. So let's confirm 45 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 30. Okay, it will be 135. So now we have to put the denominator of 180. Okay. Then now we have to, this number is of minus, this of plus, and this of again minus. Then we have to solve these numbers. So here minus minus will be plus. Minus minus will be plus, और 80 से अगर 72 जाएं तो आपके पास बाकी 8 बचेंगे. 80 से अगर 72 जाएं तो प्लस के 8 बचेंगे, माइनस के 35 यहाँ पर पड़े हुए हैं और इधर 180 भी पड़े हुए हैं. ठीक है, हमने क्या किया, 80 से 72 को माइनस किया तो आपके पास 8 बचे. 135 माइनस करेंगे 8 से तो बाकी बचेंगे आपके पास कितने, 127. माइनस के 127 अपॉन 180. ओके, actually this is the answer of right hand side, sorry left hand side. This is the answer of left hand side. I am writing here just answer. Answer of left hand side is left hand side is equals to minus 127 upon 180. Okay, now we have to take the right hand side. अब हमें क्या लेनी है, राइट हैंड साइड लेनी है. फिर हमें ये शो करना है कि क्या राइट हैंड साइड का भी आंसर 127 अपॉन 180 आएगा. अगर आंसर सेम आ रहा है तो हम कहेंगे कि हमारा क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है. तो मैं यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ राइट हैंड साइड -2 अपॉन 5 प्लस 4 अपॉन 9 प्लस -3 अपॉन 4 ब्रैकेट ओवर. Then here first we have to remove the brackets. -2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 9 plus minus -3 upon 4. So there are again the same numbers 5 9 4. The LCM of 5 9 4 is 180. LCM of 5 9 4 is 180. 180 divided by 5, it will be 36. Then -2 multiplied by 36. 180 divided by 9, it will be 20. Then plus 4 multiplied by 20. Again minus 180 divided by 4, it will be 45. Then you have to multiply 3 by 45. So here the again same numbers are comes. Then minus 236 are, it will be minus 72 plus 80 minus 135 180. So the all the sums of this question, it will be minus 127 upon 180. This is the right hand side. So dear students, you have seen here that left hand side is equal to right hand side. That was the main objective of this question. If we have to justify, we have to prove is left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here we have to write कि hence proved left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, now we are going to our next next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 says that K find the values of minus 6 upon 7 number 1, minus 2 upon 7. Okay, then again number 2 is okay. Let all the other questions. तो अब यहाँ पर देखें, इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है। इसकी वैल्यू किस तरह से निकलेगी? देखिए ये वाला नंबर माइनस में मिला हुआ है, यहाँ पर अलग माइनस है और इस 2 के साथ माइनस है। जब हमने ये चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था तो हमने एक नंबर लाइन डिस्कस की थी। नंबर लाइन में आपको ये बताया गया था कि अगर ऊपर वाले नंबर के साथ माइनस है तो वो नीचे वाले की भी कंसीडर की जाएगी, अगर नीचे वाले के साथ माइनस है तो ऊपर वाले की कंसीडर की जाएगी, अगर इन भी दोनों एक नंबर में माइनस है तो वो पूरे नंबर की माइनस कंसीडर की जाएगी। तो अब इसका सॉल्यूशन इस तरह से होगा, minus 6 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. Okay, then minus 6 upon 7 minus plus 2 upon 7. Here are the rational number which are given in the plus. So you have to plus this rational number as the same denominator, you have to put the same number as same. So यहाँ पर माइनस के 6 प्लस के 2, अब माइनस के 6 से प्लस के 2 जाएंगे तो बाकी बचेंगे माइनस के 4 upon 7. This is the answer. So the remaining questions 2, 3 and 4. Your homework is question number 5, 2, 3 and 4. You have to solve these sums and you have to share these sums on our WhatsApp group. Hope you have cleared this question, you have cleared these all today's lecture. So further we will discuss other questions in our next lecture. Till, thank you so much.